Hey guys, and welcome back to Saab Cars. Have you ever been told by the car that you're driving with limited performance? Did you read out the fault codes? Well, if you did and it was a P0234, it's most likely this that has gone bad. Coming right up. So, the P0234 is a generic OBD trouble code, which means that you have a overboost condition. The ECM detects that there is a overboost and it can't control it, and therefore it limits the car's performance, especially at higher gears like 3, 4, 5 and when you really step on it. In many times it's the boost control valve, which opens and closes, that needs replacement. The part is not that expensive and it comes with a bracket and all the hoses you need. So, when getting the P0234, this is the first part I would replace. It might be something else, and we only know that after replacing this, so let's get to work. So, what we need in this case regarding tools is a 10mm socket for the bolt holding the bracket, and as I think removing this during the replacement procedure would be a good idea. So I have another 7mm socket for this one. So let's start off by removing this. So now that I have this one out of the way, it gives me access to the longest hose on the valve. So first hose has been removed, now the second one. It's below these cables. So that was the second one, and the longest one is below here. Just remember where the position is when you put the new one in. And now here I have the longest one. So the rest we need to do is to unclip the connector for the valve. Like this, you push this kind of spring and you just take it out. And the rest is the 10mm bolt and this cable clip here. So now this is loose and we need to get this off the bracket. So I plan on reusing this. Let's see if it's good enough to reuse later on. So here's the old part. I think it's been there since the car was new, and that's over 10 years now. So it's time to replace it. Here's the new one, and the part number will be in the description section below. As you can see, a fresh part directly from Germany. So let's put this back and see if it still works. Yeah, it does. And then we have the connector here that I will connect later on. And now we need to put back the 10mm bolt holding this valve into place. So now we need to refit the long one, and that's the one below all this, back to where it came from. So that's in place. Now the second one. And now I will put this one back. So it just slides in, and then you tighten down the clamp. Not too hard, because you can break the rubber. Just make sure it sits well there. Now the last hose is this. Just take it easy so you don't break this plastic pipe. It should slide on. That's probably enough. Last thing to do is to put back the connector. So all is done. The new boost control valve is in place. I reused the clip here, same bolt, and all the new hoses are in place. So now that I have a new boost control valve, I need to drive the car for a while and see if the DTC comes back. If not, I successfully killed this DTC. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and drive safe, guys. Ciao!